Greetings, I am Musab Hashmi on behalf of TBN News Network from Hyderabad. We will begin with international news. Today is 2nd May 2020. NEOM, a 500 billion sustainable city project, is being planned in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia on the west coast near the Red Sea. An area of around 10,000 square miles, which will be 33 times the size of New York City, is being planned. The motto is Accelerator of Human Progress, and it is being planned to be sustained for a period of 200 years. Malls in UAE open with 30% capacity from today onwards, and organizers of unauthorized gatherings will be fined amount of 10,000 dirhams and participants will be fined 5,000 dirhams. Etihad and Emirates Airlines say that the growth of this sector has come so down that the normal demand might come up after a period of 3 years. Coming to the economy, Dow Jones is down by 2.5% and Nasdaq is down 3.35% and S&P is down by 3%. Exxon, a large company, posts first time losses in history. The Malaysian Prime Minister Mr. Muhyiddin has said that Malaysia will open its economic activities from 4th May 2020. Job cuts are happening in the United States of America, Canada, Oman, Muscat, and Indian missions in KSA, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, UAE, Kuwait, Bahrain, Oman, and Qatar are making a list of workers who want to go back to India because of their job losses. About 8 million Indian workers work in the GCC region. Coming to Africa, 38,000 confirmed cases of COVID-19 have been reported and 1,600 people have died after testing positive for COVID-19, most of whom had previous comorbid conditions. Nigeria reported 1,000 cases of COVID-19, Kenya 400, Ethiopia 60, and the Prime Minister of Guinea-Bissau has tested positive for COVID-19, Morocco 5,000 cases and Egypt 4,000 cases respectively. Canada bans the use and sale of assault rifles after the Nova Scotia mass shooting. In Armenia, a patient was murdered in the hospital by the brothers of those people whom he had shot few days ago. The Armenian president says that the economy will open after 10 days of lockdown. Coming to Indian news, Ministry of Home Affairs says that it wants to extend the lockdown beyond 4th May. That is, the new lockdown will open after 17th May. People in the media are calling this as Lockdown 3.0. And the Ministry of Home Affairs has divided the districts into 3 categories: red zone, orange zone and green zone. Red zone is that in which a lot of cases have been reported within 14 days. And the orange zone is that which reported cases between 14 to 28 days. And those regions who do not have cases beyond 28 days will be declared as green zone. Red zones as of today in India are 130 districts, orange zones are 284, green zones are 319. The implementation of the things which will open and close in these zones, the orders have been passed by the central government, but the implementation will be fine-tuned by the various state governments. In the red zone, in situ constructions or those constructions in which the workers remain on site will be allowed. E-commerce companies which deliver essential supplies will be allowed to deliver in red zones, except the containment regions. Offices can operate with 33% staff. Autos, taxis and barbers shops will be closed. Coming to orange zones, taxis will be allowed with 1 driver and 1 passenger. 4-wheelers, the private cars, will be allowed 2 passengers and 1 driver. The pillion rider on 2-wheeler will be allowed. In the green zones, All the activities between 7 pm and 7 am will be restricted. All non-essential activities also will be restricted in the night time. The following things are not allowed in all the regions except with the permission of the government: air travel, interstate road transport, schools, hotels, gyms, religious places, etc. A 24 coach train has left with 1200 passengers from Hyderabad to Jharkhand. This has been a great help for the migrant workers from Jharkhand with the coordination of the state governments of Telangana and Jharkhand. Such similar trains are yet to be organized for Uttar Pradesh and Bihar workers. Police files first charge sheet in Northeast Delhi riot case. Coming to the economy, 1 AED is equal to 20.65 Indian rupees, 1 Saudi Riyal is 20.20 rupees, 1 US dollar is 75.86 rupees, and 1 euro is 83.35 rupees. Gold price today in Hyderabad of the 24 carat is 46,000 Indian rupees, and for 22 carat it is 43,500 rupees. Coming to Telangana and Hyderabad news, only 6 cases have been reported of COVID-19 yesterday, bringing the total reported cases to 1044 and 28 deaths, bringing the ratio of death to reported disease cases at 3%, meaning 3% of those people who get the disease are dying. The red zones in Telangana are 6, which are Hyderabad, Suryapet, Rangareddy district, Medchal, Malkajgiri, Vikarabad and Warangal urban. And orange zones are 18 in number and green districts are 9. In Andhra, red zones are 7, orange zones are 7 and green district is 1. There is a lot of risk of layoffs in IT and IT enabled sector in Hyderabad. Janab Asaduddin Owaisi has requested a relaxation in containment zones, especially in those zones which did not report patients of COVID-19 in the past 15 days, and also requested the government to quarantine only the immediate neighbors instead of quarantining the entire area and locality, leading to discomfort to the people. An advocate, Syed Irfan Ahmed of Hyderabad, had made a complaint to the Human Rights Chairman about lathi charge and police seizing vehicles of people, and an order was passed by the Chairman of Commission of Human Rights on 28/4/2020 directing the police department to take necessary actions. Coming to the temperature of Hyderabad, today it is a maximum of 38 degrees centigrade and minimum of 24 degrees centigrade. Thank you.
Thank you for staying with TBN News.